Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Crown EA, an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Based on the information provided on the product page, this EA is designed for MetaTrader 5, and as we can see, the EA is priced at 16,000 US dollars, developed by Ismail. Okay, so the version shown here is 1.7, updated on April 12th, 2024. All right, so let's just proceed to the description. Okay, as I scroll through the description, the developer explains that Crown AI, as you can see that here, it combines traditional technical analysis with artificial intelligence. According to the product page, the system uses recurrent neural networks, specifically long short-term memory, or LSTM cells, which are trained using data from technical analysis indicators. The stated goal is to identify which indicators are most relevant to future price movement and make trading decisions based on that analysis. The developer also provides recommended trading conditions. For one setup, the suggested currency pairs include 16 major and cross pairs such as Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CAD, and several others, with a recommended time frame of M15. Another running configuration expands the list to 28 currency pairs and recommends using the H1 time frame. The product page also mentions recommended deposits starting from $1,000 with no special leverage requirements noted. Moving into the settings section, there are quite a few configurable inputs available. Traders can specify which symbols to trade, whether to use a one chart setup across multiple instruments, and define symbol suffixes if required by their broker. There are controls for long and short trading permissions, risk settings, fixed lot sizing, pip step values, take profit levels, trailing stop parameters, trailing step values, lot multipliers, average take profit settings, and break even functionality. The page also includes examples of account balance categories for different usage profiles, including risk-free and funding account configurations. These examples appear to provide guidance on account sizing scenarios rather than specific performance expectations. Now let's move into the backtesting section and review the historical testing performance. When evaluating any automated strategy, it is important to remember that backtests provide historical analysis and should not be interpreted as future results. All right, the marketplace information provided here does not specify whether testing was performed using every tick or open prices only. So I will focus on the completed results and chart behavior. This shows the graph, right? The equity and the balance curve. Okay, this shows also deposit load the below the balance and equity curve, and here we can see back tested results. From an initial deposit of $1,000, the total net profit was 9,755.23. Total trades were 3,133. Short trades were 1,509 with an 84.16% win rate. Long trades were 1,624 with an 81.9% win rate. The largest profit was 392.98. Largest loss was 147.62. The average profit was $7.09, average loss $16.30. So based on this information here, we can see that the average risk to reward ratio is poor. It's actually poor. And when you put that side by side with the win rate is good. It's actually good. So I'm not surprised to see a total net profits that is positive. Okay, but let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester to see how the EA performed over the space of 5 months. So as we can see, the Crown EA was backtested on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and from the beginning of this year till date, as you can see here, we are using the every tick modeling, by the way. So now the results shown here, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total profit made was 3,282.37, and the total trades were just 27, short trades were 12 with an 83.33% win rate, long trades were 15 with an 86.67% win rate. The largest profit was 1,571.12, and the largest loss was 599.83. Average profit 189.5, average loss 269.03. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough. Actually, the average risk to reward ratio is bad, but the win rate is excellent. Okay, so I'm not surprised to see a positive net profit of 3.2%, 3.28%. All right. So looking at the historical chart activity, the developer's description suggests that the EA's decision-making process is influenced by its AI-based analysis working alongside traditional technical indicators. Beyond that, the exact entry and exit logic is not disclosed on the product page, so it's important not to make assumptions beyond the information provided. What we can do is observe how trades were managed throughout the historical testing period and assess consistency, draw down characteristics, and overall behavior from the results shown. All right. Now we can also see that this EA, from this example here, a sell trade was executed here, 0.41 lot size, and another was added. The martingale strategy was active, as you can see. You can see that the lot sizes were increasing, and the EA was adding trades, right? Increasing the lot size, using martingale strategy, and finally, when it was in profit, there was a basket close at this point. Now, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, especially since the developer provides multiple recommended symbol groups and time frame configurations. As for the results, these should always be viewed as historical backtest results only. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Before considering live deployment, it's always a good idea to perform independent testing and optimization based on your own objectives and risk tolerance. Overall, Crown EA presents itself as an expert advisor that combines AI-based analysis with traditional technical analysis techniques while supporting multi-symbol trading configurations. As with any automated strategy, careful testing and validation remain essential before making any trading decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.